me go and come, me have to buy KFC and famous boy. Yeah, man.
Say, KFC a 10 out of 10.
My viewers, me have the rest of the video they phone to see, you know. Nobody now want no egg and bread for breakfast again. A KFC for breakfast, lunch and dinner now. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. Family turn enemy over land. Uncle, Mvrda nephew, plus Alkaline in police custody for murder. And me not talk the black eye Alkaline, me talk the one eye one. So before me jump into the reasoning and make you know where I go on, pre this.
To GP today. Big up KFC, big up GP, big up all I water them down there. And the food nice. And I love the famous ball gone to bed. I sell down there so anytime me go and come, me have to buy KFC and famous ball. Yeah, man.
Say, KFC a 10 out of 10.
Why you say that?
What do you mean by why I say that? I love KFC for me a baby. And when me come from church or school, I come here so. I tea for my mother money and come buy KFC when I go primary school.
What time you come this morning?
I come here from after 3.
What make you come out so early?
Well, I'm going to GP and I want to buy it. I buy from my little girl I got. I'll be in primary school.
But you carry this to somebody at GP?
Yeah, I eat out, I eat too, and feel good.
Okay.
I eat and enjoy food. Never come at home and let out chasing. Them look after we good. Them is nice. I want chicken to give my son from 6 o'clock me there. Yeah, him that GP. Yeah, GP. Yeah, man. We come by every day, everyone have food there, wherever come. Yes.
Why you think so?
Because him can get 2 pieces extra. Yeah, good girl.
You see that, my viewers? Nobody no want a egg and bread sandwich for breakfast again. Nobody no want a fried dumpling with no tin mackerel again. The people them a say a KFC for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So my viewers, KFC a celebrate 50 years in a Jamaica. And them have a deal I say, if you buy a big deal, you get a meal deal free. And the people them go hear that and start join line from 3 o'clock this morning, me I tell you no. My viewers, this thing you know just a take place in a Kingston, Spanish Town and Moby alone, you know. At the whole 14 parish, you know. You see, today in the day, yeah, every KFC wanna drive past or walk past. Just know say the line a go longer than a light post. So see them viewers, things and time change in a Jamaica, you know. Nobody no want a egg and bread again, you know. Man want waffles, man want pancake. We are upgrade with badness, boy, yeah. So my viewers, walk with me and now. When we see family turn enemy over Lana Bagwalk, St. Catherine, uncle put a 9 ball in him nephew head and call it a day. My people, 31-year-old them are feisty. After him and him uncle in an argument over land, the nephew run go for loss and did want chop up uncle. And uncle rip off him like a firematic and make it work. Me a tell you in him nephew head. So see it ya, family turn enemy over land. One gone a dead house right now and one day in a hospital a butter for him 3 pints. People them can't live in love, boy. Yeah. Friend a turn enemy, family a turn enemy. Then what next? My viewers, you tell me say them could talk out this. This are the only way this thing you could have turned out. Where you did have to dirt your nephew and the nephew did have to rush you with a lass over land, brother. So when the two are dead and gone, who are going to get the land? Uno pitney them are going to come war over the land? Uno woman them? So as I say, my viewers, family turn enemy over Lana Bagwalk, St. Catherine. Uncle dirt him nephew. And now the uncle there in the hospital. A butter for him 3 pints. So no walk with me and now. We see Alkaline in a police custody for murder. Me not talk the black eye Alkaline. We are talk the one eye one ya. My people, Alkaline and him charge, you know. Murder ex-police Gary on Barnett Street in a wholesale and Mobile. And digger from Hanover. And they dep on the run till police them hold him in a Spanish Town and have him in a police station right now a question him. My viewers, most of them youth them nah no sense, you know. Show you say the youth them nah think boy, you know. You go in a wholesale pan Barnett Street or Mobile. You go there go rob the place. You know say a security there with gun pan him cause no done run program already and know the place stay. And see it now, you dirt the man. How long you run for? You never run for 3 long. Lucky JCF never bust out your head, but true you did a beg for your life and a ball high water. Them just feel sorry for you and carry you in till see it now. You there in a police custody. Get a youth. It no hurt it, brother. Do the right thing in a life. Look a 9 to 5. Try to do something so you can die and survive for so you kid them grow up in a life. Can you see this badness game here? This game here is a death game. And it's either. It's either JCF them a go come bust out your head, or your own a friend them a go bust out your head. So me I warn the youth them out there. Low badness. Badness now go nowhere. Millions of man messy come run up and down in a badness and dead left this game here. And them no hurt nothing. Them pitney them their road a suffer same way. Say for that you want for your youth and your family them, you can jump in a badness and go waste your days and idle out your time. But you see if you want something better for your youth them and you know want to see certain things reach them, do the right thing in a life, get a youth and load this badness thing here. Cause no loyalty no in a badness. Dance and the general them just a use the whole of uno. So see him there now. Alkaline. Me a talk the one eye one, not the black eye one. I figure do a murder charge right now. So my viewers, until next time, you know, protect on the 3 points a road. You don't know my code. A life over death. You see me?
The GP today. Big up KFC, big up GP, big up all I water them down there. And the food nice. I may love the famous ball gone to bed. I sell down there so anytime me go and come, me have to buy KFC and famous ball. Yeah man.
Say, KFC a 10 out of 10.
Why you say that?
What you mean by why I say that? I love KFC for me a baby. And when me come from church or school, I come here so. I see for my mother money I come buy KFC when I go primary school.
What time you come this morning?
I come here from after 2.
What make you come out so early?
Well, I'm going to GP and I want to buy it. I buy from my little girl I got. I'll be in primary school.
But you carry this to somebody at GP?
Yeah, I eat out, I eat too, and feel good. And I eat and enjoy food. Never come at home and let out KFC. Them look after we good.